What's up, guys? It's me in the game. It's Bad Aim, and today we got a little life thing going on here. Just showing you the Dupray Neat Steam cleaner that I'm going to use to clean off the floors. You see me filling it up there. Nice little design on the funnel nozzle area. And so this thing does a really good job on the grout, and I just wanted to show you how well that it does that through cleaning and how easy it snaps together with all the little tools. Hooked it up to my little GoPro, and hope you enjoy this. And I highly recommend this unit if you do plan on picking something up to clean out your grout on your tile. Enjoy. So this is the finished product, guys. Check out that grout. It is nice and clean, nice beige color. Again, it was starting to get really dark. The floor actually feels very clean, and yeah, really impressed with how this works. Hope you like this video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Comment below if you've used this before. I highly recommend it.